So single row functions are there. Okay, these are built-in functions. Built-in function. There are two functions: built-in functions and user-defined functions. So built-in functions means Oracle provided by the user. Okay. User-defined function is user is creating on his own. Okay. There are two functions, and also built-in functions are two ways: single row functions and multi row functions. Okay, so these are single row functions: character functions, general functions, number functions, conversion function, date functions. Okay, so NVL, NVL2, null if, coalesce, case, decode. So these are general functions. Have you practiced these general functions? Video I shared, right?
Yes, Anna. Yes, Anna.
Just for quick recap, I will ask you the questions. Okay. See, in order to clear the screen, CL space SCR, remember. Okay. And also put set and set space line, like 1000 you can put. Okay, and set server. This is not required. Yeah. So what is NVL? NVL, what is NVL? Converting null value into an actual value.
Actual value.
Now tell me, what is the purpose of NVL now here in this case? Suppose salary is there. Okay, commission is there from EMP. Okay, so what happens? See, for few commissions it is showing null, right? Null. It is null. It is null. It is null. Everything null. So now I wanted to calculate what salary plus commission. I wanted to calculate salary plus commission. So for that, what is the drawback here? What is the drawback here? So it is not calculating salary plus commission for this employee. Okay, for this employee, salary is not calculating, correct? Yes. So now those who are having null value commission, such employees we are making commission as 0 using NVL. So who are having 0, who are having null commission, that commission we are considering as 0. So with the use of what? NVL. With the use of NVL. How I can do that? NVL, we are doing commission as 0, right? So that means, this means what? What is the purpose of this statement? NVL of commission comma 0 means what? What does that mean? See, it is considering commission as 0 and adding sal plus commission. So in this way it will work. See, I will write one more thing here. Okay, NVL of commission comma 0. See, in this way it will work. So we are making commission as 0 and 800 plus 0, it becomes 800, correct? 800. So how it works? Tell me normally how it works. So that means this commission value, if it is 0, if it is null, what happens? It will consider 0. It will consider 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. If it is not null, will it become 0?
No.
No, because this is not null. This is not becomes 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So here in this place, earlier it was null. So that's why the commission made as 0. Now my question here is, suppose can we make commission as 2 for all those who are having null commission?
No.
My question is, commission is earlier it was null. few employees. Okay. Now
Okay.
instead of zero, can we make those who are having null? Okay, those who are having null, can we make as 2 or 3? Any digit?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
can.
sir.
Yes, we can do it, right? Yes, we can
Yes,
do it. So how we can do it? Make it as 2, that's it. Make it as 3, that's it. See?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why it is not coming, tell me? Here we need to, here also you need to do, okay? This is separate column, okay? This is separate column. So see, 803 coming, huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
that means we are handling null. We are handling null using NVL. Okay, that is NVL. Understood? So what NVL2 will do? So see, this is what keep in your mind. This if you keep in your mind, definitely you will understand entire importance.
Okay.
Okay. So now tell me,
Okay.
expression 1 is COMM commission. Expression 2 is 0.
Okay.
So now understand, converse null value into an actual value. NVL2 means what? Expression 1 is not null. NVL2 returns expression 2. Expression 1 is not null, returns expression 2.
2.
If the expression 1 is null, returns expressions 3.
3.
Did you understand this statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. I will give you the use case to you. Okay. You have to
Okay.
explain to me. Okay. You have to explain to me.
Okay.
Now in this case, where is NVL2? Okay. Anyway, I will give you one example. Okay.
Okay.
I will give you one example here only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let us take select. Okay. I am taking NVL2. Okay. NVL2. NVL2 of what expression I am taking? Sal. Okay. So what salary is not null. If the
Okay.
expression 1 salary is the expression 1, right? Salary is not null. NVL2 return expression 2, right?
2.
Yes, sir.
Not null. Not null means what? Sal plus commission will do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sal plus commission. Okay. This is expression 2. So if sal is null,
It returns what is
Sal
nil.
means third expression.
if the sal is null, expression 1 is null, NVL to return expressions 3. Correct. So don't write sal. I will take commission for our what understandable. Okay. I will take commission. Okay. Because the commission normally it becomes null, right? Salary it won't become null, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is a valid statement. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me. Now tell me. So what is the case here from EMP? So what is the case? So this is the first expression. This is the first expression.
Okay.
So this is
Sal
the
plus commission.
second expression. This is the third expression. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the first expression. This is the second expression. This is the third expression. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if the commission, that means commission is expression 1. COMM expression 1. This commission is null. Sorry, it is not null. Okay, not null means some 300 something is there, no? That is not null. So
Okay.
if it is not null, NVL2 returns what? Expression 2. That means this will return.
Yes.
So that means compulsory commission having value or not? Null in this case.
Having value, sir.
Yeah, having value compulsory, because how it becomes value? Expression 1 is not null. That means it becomes not null means COMM contains definitely a value. So this value definitely it will add, right? It won't give any null returns, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now again another one. If expression 1 is null, so this becomes null. What happens? Salary
Returns
only,
what is third
correct?
expression.
So no need to add commission, right? If it is null, because
Yes, sir.
if it is null, there is no value, right? Anywhere.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So it gives the salary, right? So is it a valid statement, right?
Yes, sir. It's valid.
By handling NVL2. Now see. So I am writing here what NVL2. So now tell me, I will write salary, okay, and also commission, comma, what NVL2 I will write NVL2 of what commission I will write commission if it is Not null, null. Returns which expression?
Not
Tell me.
null.
If
Not
it is
null.
not null, returns second
Plus
expression.
commission.
If it is null,
If you
returns
It returns
only
the third expression.
returns third expression. Correct?
Third.
Yes.
Yes,
Anyway, we are doing this manipulation only, right?
yes, sir.
Whatever this data it is bringing, the same it is bringing in this way. Correct?
Okay.
With the help of NVL2.
Yes, sir.
So that means NVL2 how it is working, I am teaching you. Okay, in future you may get the different cases. Okay, which cases you may get? So that means one column is there, another column is there. Okay, one column contains what? Null value. Okay, this column contains null value. How we can handle using NVL2? Understood?
Okay, sir.
So in such situation NVL2 will be used. Okay.
Okay.
So what null if will do? Have you practiced null if and in the NVL2? Practice. Okay, null if. So null if means what? Compares two expressions and returns null if they are equal. And now, can you tell me example? I will show you the example. I will show you the example. Give me the explanation to me. Okay.
Okay.
So what it is? This is null if. This is null if. Now tell me what is the null if it will do? Compares two expressions and returns null if they are equal, or the first expression if they are not equal.
If
That
they
means
are
what?
not equal.
Both are equal,
First,
returns null.
It will
Both are not equal, returns first expression. That's it.
First expression.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both are equal, returns null. Both are not equal, returns first expression. And now tell me, in this case, the first name. Suppose Ramesh is there. Both are same, right?
equal.
Ramesh. So result becomes null.
Null.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Suppose I will create table. Okay. Ram underscore test2. Test2 already is there. You have to create in this way. E-name I am taking. E-name. Varchar 2 of 20. So table created. Okay. I am going to insert a data into this. Test2. Okay. Directly you can write the second method I have given. Okay. Two things I need to give, right? So sorry. So now after creation of a table, we want to add a column, right? How we can add? Tell me the syntax. Alter table.
Ram underscore test2.
Okay. Next.
Open brace.
You are not practiced, man. You are not practiced.
Field name DOB. Like
Last name. I am adding one more column name. Okay. You are not practicing. So this is what alter. Okay. We have added one more. You are not. I think all of you are not practicing. Okay. See, this is waste of time. Okay. If you are not practicing, okay, you are coming to the class. This is waste of time. Really, I am telling you. Okay.
no, sir. Practicing. We are practicing.
Practice is most important. See, we have added one column, correct? We have added one column. Now I am going to insert data into it. Now tell me insert statement syntax. Insert into
Insert into Ram underscore
test2
open brace.
open brace.
No.
Next name.
E-name.
Next last
Last name I have given.
last name.
Last name I have given.
No, L name.
L name.
L name. Okay, L name. Bracket.
Values.
Values. Now I can give any. I am giving Ramesh. I am giving Ramesh and same Ramesh only, because we need to demonstrate what null if, right? Andrew created. Okay, I am written Ganesh. Okay, issue commit. Okay. So now what you have to do? Select star from what? Which name? Ram underscore.
Text 2.
So this is the data. Now use null if. So what is the purpose of null if? What is the purpose of null if? If the
Where
two expressions are
true,
Same.
it will show null value.
if the two expressions are
True, it will show null value.
returns what?
It will
Null
becomes
value.
null value.
Null value. If it is not equal, returns
First value.
first expression. Is it true?
Yes,
Say in this case, this and this becomes true. So returns null, right? See, first row is null.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First row is null.
Yes, sir.
Second row is just calculate. This expression and this expression becomes both are equal.
No, sir, not
No.
equal.
Not equal. So if it is not equal, which expression it is returning?
It will go for
First
first
expression.
Second expression.
Yes,
First
expression.
First expression. This is the first expression. That is null if. Okay?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
That is null if. Okay? So just view this one. Okay? Just to view, I will come back. Okay?
yes, sir.
Please mute if you want to talk. Okay? Just to view that one. Okay? Hello?
Ah, sir. Yes, sir.
Now understood, right? What NVL do, what NVL and NVL null if will do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, you have to do some 10 to 15 times. Okay. So now all of you know, right? Alter command, third statement. Can you type in the chat box?
Third command, sir.
Have you remember? Suresh, tell me alter command third case. How to drop a column? Syntax. Tell me syntax.
Alter.
Alter. Yeah, alter. Table. Alter table. Table name.
Drop column name.
Very good. Okay. Sunil, have you practiced or not?
Yes, sir. Practice.
Okay, practice. Okay, don't delay. Okay, because day to day it will increase. Okay, 10 to 15 times you practice. You have to remember that queries. Okay, if you remember only, you can do the work. Okay, so 100% multiple times you have to practice multiple times. So I will provide you everything to you. Okay.
Okay.
Just to take and do the practice. If you see this explanation, you can do your own what example. So you can create your own example also. Okay. See, now I demonstrate this one also. Now tell me, what is coalesce? COALESCE. Coalesce. So expression 1, expression 2, and expression n. See, returns the first not null expression in the expression list.
Okay.
So returns the first not null expression in the expression list means what? Now take the example, you can understand. See, Advantage of coalesce function over the NVL function is that coalesce function can take multiple alternative values. This is the difference. If you want to take multiple alternative values, we need coalesce. Okay. So see, coalesce function returns the first not null expression in the list. So expression 1 returns this expression if it is not null. Syntax. When it expression 1, when it returns this expression 1, returns this expression if it is not null. If it is not null, it returns this one.
Yes, sir.
If it is null, will it return this one?
No, sir.
Second value.
My question is, if it is null, expression 1 is null, will it return expression 1?
No. It will return second value.
If it is not null only, it will return
First value.
expression 1. So returns this expression if the first expression is null. See, this is null. Okay, this expression will return. Okay, this will go. It will go to here, expression 2. Returns this expression. Expression 2, when it will return this expression if the first expression is null. This expression is null, it returns this expression. Okay? And this expression is not null. Compulsory, this should be not null. If it is not null, if it is null, okay, so this will return. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, my question to you. Okay, this is what? Creativity. This expression is null. This expression is null. Expression 3 is there, not null. This expression 3 is there, that is not null. Which expression it will return?
It will return third expression.
Is null. Hello.
Yeah, tell me. Expression 1 is null, expression 2 is null. Expression 3 is not null. Which expression it will return?
It will return expression 3.
Expression 3, na? All you agree? Agree?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, correct. See, if you see the example, you can understand clearly. See, this is the example. So now tell me, in this case, now I will ask you. Commission is null. Let us assume.
Okay.
Which expression it will return?
Commission
will
is
return
null, it will
salary.
return second expression.
Second expression. If it is not null, salary is not null, salary will return. Even if the salary is also null, returns 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In order to demonstrate, you have to create your three column names you can create. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Create table. Do create table. Okay. Create table you can create and you can demonstrate. Otherwise, you can take EMP table only. Okay. EMP table also you can take. Okay. But interviewer may ask you, coalesce. What is the purpose of coalesce? You have to tell the explanation in this way. See, and also see, I'm telling you clearly. If you have to remember each and every explanation, they will ask you what is the purpose of coalesce, what is the purpose of NVL2. Now tell me what is the purpose of NVL2. You have to tell this explanation. Tomorrow I will ask you. Okay, what is NVL2? If I ask you, you have to tell this explanation. See, this is already provided, right, material to you. And also if not, it is not opened. Okay. You just go and that recording and place pass it and check this one. Okay. And tomorrow I will ask you, can you please give the explanation of NVL2? You have to give this explanation. This explanation you have to give. This explanation you have to give. Okay, understood? And also syntaxes also you have to give. And practice and come back. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay, sir.
So one more thing, we have one more very very important conditional expression. See, this is mainly we are using in our all organizations, case and decode. Okay. So normally if then else logic in the SQL statement. See, normally if then else logic will be written in normal programming. Okay. So in SQL, if you want to implement if then else logic, we can use case and decode functions. Okay. So what if then else logic means what? If the condition is true, the following statement will execute. Else, the other statement will execute. Else means what? You know, right? Else means you know or not? If means you know, right?
Yes, sir.
If means what? If the condition is true. Suppose I am writing in this way. Okay. If you attend a class, you can understand. So you can understand. This is normal sentence. Okay. Else you cannot understand.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that means this is what condition. Let us assume this is a condition. This is if. Okay. This condition is satisfied only, this statement will execute.
Okay.
If you are not attended a class, what happens? It will go else and it will execute this statement. Understood or not?
Okay, sir.
So this logic can be implemented using case and decode. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So what case? This is the what syntax. Case expression, when expression 1, then return expression. Again, when expression, return expression 2, and so on, expression n. Else expression r. So see, take pen and paper 5 to 10 times, practice this one. You have to remember this. 100% you have to remember this. And apply this syntax to this example. Okay. See, now tell me, what is the purpose here? Tell me. What do you mean? We have a job ID, correct? We have a job ID.
Salary.
So job ID, we have job ID contains IT Pro, ST clerk, SC rep. Like some 3 job IDs are there. Let us assume I am taking 3 job IDs. Okay.
Okay.
So the person who are having job ID IT Pro, such a person job ID salary we are increasing by 1.10 rupees. Understood?
Okay, sir.
That means who are having IT Prog, that salary we are increasing by 1.10.
Okay.
So those who are having ST clerk, we are increasing 1.15 salary extra. This is 1.10, this is 1.15. We are multiplying with salary, right? So now tell me, this job ID person, this salary we are giving, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, so we are distinguishing, right? We are distinguishing based upon what? Based upon job ID. So based upon job ID, we are distributing the different salaries, correct?
Yes, sir.
See, manager having different salary, clerk having different salary, peon having different salary. So how we are doing? Based upon the job ID, we are distinguishing. So using what case? So now tell me, job ID is what? Expression. Okay. What is comparison expression 1 here? IT prog. Okay. So what is the return expression? This is the return expression. Okay. Now tell me, my question to you. So among all these 3 job IDs, if not there, so in job ID this is not there. Let us assume this is not there. What IT prog is there? IT prog are not there. Say ST clerk there not there. SCA rep is not there. So where it will go? It won't execute. This won't execute. This won't execute. Where it will go?
Or else salary revise.
It will go else. No, revise. This is what. See, I will tell you. So else this will execute. Salary will execute. Salary will execute means what? Default salary, whatever there for that employee, that salary it will give. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So this I did not teach you. I will tell you. So this is alias. Remember, revised salary is the alias. You can give your own name. Okay, you can give your own name for understandable purpose. He has given revised salary. Okay, you can give rev salary also. You can give your company name. Suppose let us assume I am giving what HP underscore revised salary. This is alias name. Alias name is what? Our understandable name we can keep. But this should be what? This should be what? In the table which column exists, that column only you have to give. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now tell me. See, while practicing, how to do the practice? How to do the practice? See, keep a notepad in front of you. Okay. Try to type first. Select. Okay. Select. What sir told? First case. Case first. Next what? Keep in your mind expression. This is the you have to keep in your mind. Okay. What is expression 1? So let us take what I am going to do now. Job ID based upon job. So I am taking job. Okay. Job. Otherwise you can write this EMP table first. You can query EMP table, you can get the which columns you if you wanted to display. Okay,
Okay.
suppose you keep in this way, you just keep in this way. Okay, keep in this way and keep notepad. Okay, case
Okay.
case job. Now I am taking job, this column I am taking. Case expression. Okay, case expression. Next tell me when 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 clerk is there. Correct. When clerk then I am taking some salary 1.20.
20.
1 2 you can take 1 2 anything,
Okay.
not only that one. Okay, sal, right? Correct.
Yes.
Now you forgot the syntax. Now what you have to do, you have to refer this one. Initial days you have to refer, not all days. Okay, see, after then return expression. Correct. Again what you have to come to here. Again when again when now tell me which job you want. You want to select salesman. You can take salesman. Salesman you can take. Salesman, there should be capital letters, remember. Salesman. Next then next 1 point something 1.34 into sal. Otherwise you can give 2.2 if you want to check into sal. In this way you can check, right? So I enough, it is enough. Okay, you can write one more when also, multiple when also you can write. So now I will do what else. What is spelling else? ELSE, na? Else. Else. What? So if not matched, suppose clerk also not matched, salesman also not matched. Which salary it will display?
Default. Whatever.
Default salary. Default salary it will display. So I am writing revised. What I am writing, some alias Ramesh, revised sal. Okay, from EMP. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, take this and copy here. It is not copying. Copied. Missing keyword.
Now here you have mentioned double quotes. Ramesh revised salary.
That is what.
Double
So that
quote
is
you
what
have
alias.
mentioned.
That is what alias. Okay, we missed syntax. Okay, we missed syntax. So that's why syntax is very important. See, so after else we mentioned what default salary. We missed what?
End keyword.
End we missed. That's why it is giving problem to us. Okay, try to keep syntax. That's why syntax is very very important. After shall we have to keep end. So take this and paste it. Okay, and see, reverse salary displaying.
Yes, sir.
If you want to display actual salary, you can compare also. Okay. What I will do, you can take what default salary, name. I will take name and sal, comma, in this way. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now why I am writing this one? In order to check whether default salary and our salary are matching or not. See, this is default salary. This is what?
Our salary.
Actual salary. Actual salary means after revising, this is the salary. Now tell me, this salary is not increased. Why? Why it is not increased? I will write
We
job
have
also.
We have
Not
not mentioned that
we have not mentioned.
That job
We have not mentioned the job. Okay, job name we did not mentioned. Okay, in the what case? See, it considers only whom? It considers only clerk and salesman. So manager and analyst and president is excluded. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It is excluded because it is not mentioned. The revised salary it is not applicable for these job IDs. Correct? So that's why that's why what it is bringing, default salary it is bringing see whatever the salary it contains for the manager 2450, that the same salary it is bringing, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is else will execute. That means this also not matched, this also not matched. If not matched, default salary will display. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is case. So if they ask you, definitely in interviewer they will ask you what syntax and differences, okay, and they will ask you explanation. You have to give this explanation 100%, okay. You have to give the explanation. What you will give? Facilitates conditional inquiries by doing the work of if then else statement. See, normally if then else statement means what? In PLSQL, if then else statement is there. That means if you are a good boy, you will do good work. If you are a bad boy, you will do bad work. That means else. If you are not good, else it will execute, correct? In the same way, if then else logic is mentioned in PLSQL. So that logic, how we can handle in SQL, that is the interview question. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So in SQL, how we can handle if then else logic using case expression. Facilitates conditional inquiries. Conditional inquiries means this is conditional inquiry, right? IT proc. When this is condition, this is condition, this is condition. These are conditional inquiries by doing the work of if then else statement. You have to give this explanation to the interviewer. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is what case. Okay? So this is decode. This is also same. Decode facilitates conditional inquiries by doing the work of case or if then else statement. So both are doing same work, but we have a differences. I will teach you tomorrow, but we will understand decode now. Okay? How decode works. Now tell me. So by seeing this screen, can you explain anybody what it works, how it works?
If then else last name.
Quickly. By seeing this, you cannot understand anything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Same, right? Same.
Same job ID and salary they have mentioned, but before we have to from
Same. It works as case we discussed, right? The same in this way it will work, but the syntax is different. That's it. Okay. So if the job ID is IT proc,
IT proc.
returns this.
Okay.
If the job ID is ST clerk, returns this.
This.
If job ID is this one, returns this salary. So among all three, it is not their job ID. Which salary it will return?
default salary.
Default salary it will return. Sunil and Girish, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts in this?
No, no, sir. I understand.
Now what you have to do, by seeing this and keep quiet, it is not good, okay? Take pen and paper, write decode statement. Otherwise notepad also you can write. First by seeing 3-4 times you write. By seeing. Without seeing 5 times you write. You will understand. See, I will write select. Okay. What I am taking decode statement. Decode. Okay. Decode. After decode, what I have to do? I have to give which condition I wanted to mention. Job. Okay. Job, comma. Okay. So this is different name. Okay. Employees is a different table. I am giving different table. Okay. EMP I am taking. Job. Okay. I am taking what? Job clerk. Okay. Let us assume clerk. Okay. Clerk. So I am taking what? 2.20 into sal. Understood? Comma is also mandatory. See, very carefully you have to do. Again, come to here. Okay. Again, what?
ST clerk.
Clerk I have completed, right? Manager I can keep. Okay, manager. Manager. 3.234, like any value you can write. Any. Comma. Next. You can give one more. What? Clerk. Salesman is there. No? Salesman. Salesman salary. What I am doing? I am giving 1.10. Okay. Into sal. Okay. So what I will do? Next. Comma. Correct. Comma. So if not, what happens? What if not? salary, default salary. This is default one. This is a default one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So after
Yes, sir.
default, what you have to keep?
Revised salary.
Bracket. So give the alias name. Give the alias name. Huh? Give the alias name. Ramesh. Revised salary. You can give any name. Okay. Revised salary. Again, what I have to give from? Compulsory from table name. Which table name? EMP. Correct?
EMP.
So now take this and copy paste. What happened to this? See, it is coming.
Yes, sir.
If you decode also it is coming. If you want to I wanted to bring a e-name also. E-name also. What do you have to do? Include e-name. E-name. If you want to include salary, include salary. Okay. If you want to include department number, if you include department number, take this one and copy and paste it here. What happened to this? Copy is not doing. If not copy is doing, you just copy in this way. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, it is coming.
Yes, sir.
See, all individual columns along with the reverse salary is coming, right?
Yes, sir.
So now you understand. You understood, right? What is a decode function?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a use case. You just read this use case. You just read this use case. You can understand it clearly. Huh?
Okay. Okay.
So compulsory. This is most important. I will tell you. This is 100% important.
Conditional.
Very, very important. I will tell you the differences tomorrow, okay? But before that, you have to practice case expression and decode expression. Understood?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. See, alter statement, practice please. So I have given provided you, okay? Practice and I will ask you, I will give you some test, okay? This weekend. You have to write everything, okay? So without that one, I cannot proceed. I cannot proceed. Definitely I will not proceed, okay? Because this is waste of time for me, okay? And also I have provided this document and try this also, okay?
Okay.
Trunk I will tell you, just practice and what it is bringing, just tell me, okay?
Okay.
And also use your brain and create your own table and apply some case on it if possible. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubts, any clarifications?
Sir, here in a decode case, hello?
Yeah, tell me.
We have mentioned decode open braces. Job we have clerk mentioned all single quotes. But why we have mentioned Ramesh underscore revised salary in double quotes?
That is see, very good question. See, what happens to see, suppose if I am giving in this way, Ramesh revised underscore sal, in this way I mentioned, okay? Let us assume I mentioned in this way, okay?
Yes,
See,
sir.
what happens? Ramesh space revised space salary, it is coming, correct? Suppose
single column.
Suppose, see, let us assume I am mentioned in this way, revised underscore I am mentioned. It is considered as a single statement and I am not using any single double quotes, okay? What happens to it? It will bring data, okay? Correct?
Okay. Yes,
This is considered as a single statement, it will give data. Now, my question, I will remove this space.
Okay.
So I won't mention any single quote or double quotes. It throws an error. Because this is different. Consider as a different values. That's why it is giving problem. Okay. And also If you keep single quotes here, what happens to the data? That is alias name we are mentioned, right? So
Yes, sir.
this is not considered as a alias if you keep single quotes. For data only we need to keep single quotes. Understood?
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Single quotes for alias name, if you want to mention, you should not mention single quotes. If you
Okay.
want to mention double quotes only, it will bring. If you don't want to mention double quotes, it should be a single value, single element. You should not like three elements separated. If it is three elements separated, compulsory you should keep double quotes.
Double quote.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good what doubt, and also this is explanation. Okay. Anything?
Okay.
Any doubts? Nothing, right?
No, sir.
Nothing, right?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will discuss tomorrow. Try to practice this one. Okay. I have provided document, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, practice that one. Okay. Don't forget. Okay. Okay. I will ask you
Okay,
questions
sir.
tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye.